Now we're here with Tactical Overland. Brandon, he's on the phone right now, but yeah, we just kind of just met him, and we're gonna take him out. He's based out of Red Deer, and we're back at it. You know, this is an easy trail. We just wanted to get some B-roll shots for the trailer, and we'll see what it is. So we just stopped by. Brandon here needs to air down. It's kind of rough there, but keeping it slow anyways. And look at this, man. I've never been here in the fall. I've always been here in the summertime and winter. It looks crazy. We're still a long ways though. We're not even like quarter yet, so. Far out actually, like over here. We're gonna go over here. Yeah, go up and then keep going this way. You got this? You slightly turn right actually before you hit me, so I can see the side profile of the rig. We just got to the location. No one's here, and this is what I love about coming out on a weekday. We left the trailer down there just to make sure we can get in. We're gonna go back down and grab it and then come back up here and set up. Tactical Overland made it up here, and we're gonna stage it right here. A little crooked, but we'll see. I'm just gonna guide him a little bit. So it's gonna go right there, and he's gonna back up right here. Good, good. Gonna set up my chair real quick and relax. After some aerials, it got windy. We decided to come down here, inside the trees away from the valley. I'm gonna set up, I think, that TP tent tonight, so I wanna set it up right here. One of the key advantages of having backpacking gear is you can have options without compromising space. We packed 3 tents on this trip, and they all fit in my rugged cases. I haven't used this in a minute, man. So it's time. all packed up and ready to roll. We're going to explore a bit more and see what we can capture.